The event was fantastic. We got to hear from experienced developers out there. Like we have been seasoned to a norm whereby we have been mostly taught classroom things, and now when Africa's Talking and Atlassian came, thanks to Atlassian community Africa's Talking, they get to show us how we can apply our skills into building real-world applications. And I can say that I'm really inspired to create more projects, and how Africa's Talking, they really much, they make developers work more efficient, proactive. We can have opportunity to create bigger and bigger applications. And right now I'm more inspired because I can start my own business on my own to the skills that I've acquired today by creating, like, let's say, send airtime applications where I can sell airtime to my fellow comrades. Yeah, the event was fantastic. It was amazing. The food, the speakers in general, and the experience was just fantastic, top notch.
Leo nimegundua sijui anything about DevOps. I have to do more research. Hey, this tech world is big. Huh? Anyway, nimeenjoy sana. Sitaki kutaja pizza. Sitaki, lakini yeah.
I've learned a lot of things. Considering I'm a first year, it's a very nourishing foundation for me, and to get it at such a young level, it's really inspiring.
I wasn't really informed well about the DevOps culture until the speaker who taught us the DevOps practice. He really gave a detailed walkthrough of what DevOps is, tools that are used when you're doing DevOps. Yeah, so I learned something. I knew Docker, but I didn't know there was a way to monitor Dockerization and stuff like that. Yeah, so I learned that today.
This event has really affected my career in that I have found more insights in how to build solutions that relate more to real-world problems, and I found opportunity in that even though maybe at time I might not get a job somewhere, I can self-employ myself by starting, like, let's say, an entrepreneurial position or company whereby I sell the products that I've acquired to the knowledge I've acquired here today. So I can say that I won't come out of this place the same way I got in, because I have added a skill on my portfolio, on my CV, and right now I'm confident that I can term myself as a developer.
The impact was hope. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa ya kwanza. There is a lot of hope. Seeing mtu alipitia a journey have passed and nimeona amepata results, so means there is good thing up there. Plus imenipea a challenge. I need to keep up. I need to work more. So imekuwa main impact ilikuwa there is hope. Yeah. Tech iishi. Yeah.
It's such information that you will find in those tech areas, the industries, and so on. And having such knowledge, it gives me the psyche to find out more. And meaning, by the time I reach, as I go on my tech journey, I will have enough content at least.
I think the biggest advantage of this event is I can now view things in a different way. Not only seeing the way things were done traditionally, like hosting servers on-prem. Now I think I can see more of a cloud, moving to the cloud. Yeah, and basically it's the exposure for me. That's my biggest highlight. Yeah, and learning them from people who are practicing in the field. Yeah.
I will say it was perfect because everything was okay. Let's say from the speaker's perspective, there was no exception that it was intermediate level. Both levels were catered for. So really much appreciate the speakers of the day because they took their time to make sure that the concept that they talk about, each and every individual gets to understand them better. So apart from that, also by the demos and how they initiated the hackathon, which enables us to build stuff and come up with solutions as to what they taught. So that this puts us in a better hand in that we are not only here for the theory part. At the end of the day, we will have some skills added to it, and we are confident that you can build something. So I'll really much thank the organizers in general for putting up this event, coming up with all the speakers and coming up with this hackathon, in that they just made everything better and made our lives better, and I'm so happy.
I say it's been very organized and timely. It has not been boring because they've been involving the crowd in the aspects of questions and answers, giving out swags, etc. And the hands-on skills, the hackathons, at least it gives a chance for the crowd to practice what they have learned. Because as you can see, we're integrating the APIs from Africa Stocking into our projects. So it means that at least to show that we've got something from what we've learned.
It's been fun. It's been a lot of fun. I think almost everyone has learned something new, or something they didn't know, or something they knew but they didn't quite understand why things worked the way they did. And from this event, they can come out today. It's a challenge, especially for the beginners. They need to get out of their comfort zone, start coding. Yeah.
Currently, I'm building a project whereby it's a health system whereby someone can track his medication through the app. He can also make appointments to the app, and he gets notifications on when he or she can visit the doctor for that appointment. So right now, honestly, I was not thinking of. Initially I just thought of implementing as email or something like that. But from this event, I am now confident that I can implement also SMS feature through my application and USSD as well to cater for people who lack smartphones. So I will use the application to cater across all individuals.
Our project is called Kachonjo. So it's basically an nyumba kumi in tech world. So instead kukiwa na emergency, unaweza tuma an SST or a message, unaweza prompt all the people around your area. We are integrating IoT. When a button is clicked more than 3 times, means it's an emergency. So it alerts the people around you. Yeah.
For our group, we looked at a challenge facing the most students in terms of accessing the portal, and we saw that most of the time accessing the portals can be lagging because of the network and stuff. So using the USSD API, we're creating a platform where students can access the portals via their phones, and you can see not all phones access internet, so it will be helpful.
We're thinking of a project where you can RSVP using USSD. Some people don't have smartphones, and at times you might not have internet, or you might have poor internet connection. So we were thinking you can RSVP using USSD.
My name is Alvin George, and I'm the GDSC lead from Nairobi University of Science and Technology.
My name is Moses Njoroge Muiru. I'm a second year student here at Computer Science.
I'm Valencia Nema, currently a first year student Computer Science and aspiring to be a web designer.
My name is Olim Jerry. I'm a student here at Masinde Muliro. I'm in my 4th year, and I love cybersecurity.